I got dreams that flow like water. Oh yeah.
Alright, good morning and welcome back to another beautiful day and happy 1st of June. Yes, today is 1st of June and I'm starting this day on a bright note. Tanya is at work. I dropped her in the morning. I am working right now, as you can see, but I thought it's time that we start vlogging, right? We have missed already a few days and there are some exciting announcements that we have been waiting to announce and share with you guys, so stay tuned for those announcements today. Now, before I start the vlog, I always thank you guys for watching us, and also please do not forget to hit the subscribe, like, share, comment. And now, Marvel. He's over there with his bone that he has already eaten. He's trying to just take out the last bits and pieces. This light is flickering for some reason whenever I turn it on. Now I'm gonna do my breakfast. It's about 9 o'clock. I have given walk to Marvel. The day is super beautiful, super sunny, super gorgeous. So I took Marvel out in the yard. He roamed around there for a little bit, and then I just took him for a nice walk where he got a couple of scares. Those were funny while he was walking, because there was a squirrel that jumped right on the tree where he was trying to pee and stuff, or sniffing around, and he got a big scare. Sorry I didn't get that on camera though. But anyways, today I am eating oats. So these are overnight soaked oats for the recipe. You will guys know very soon how we make these. So Tanya make these little containers. We have these little containers like mason jars, and it says King's Breakfast on it. Sorry if you can't read it, but it's pretty readable for me. So it says King's Breakfast on it, and there's another one that says Queen's Breakfast, and that's what Tanya take. We can make these oats with the Herbalife Formula 1 and protein in it. So you get all your vitamins, you get the extra fiber from the oats, you get the deliciousness of fruits. These one have the blueberries and the mango. So let me show you how they look. So there it is, the deliciousness of oats. Look at that. That is how she makes it. Super delicious, super yummy. Look at that. Nice, fruity, delicious oats. Anyways, so stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. As I said, there are gonna be exciting, super exciting announcements that are coming in. But for now, I'm gonna enjoy these delicious oats, work, and see you guys in a bit.
Alright, I am back home. I'm going to make lunch. And for lunch, hold on. Oh wow, look at this beautiful, handsome boy. Marvel, here, see? He didn't even let me kiss him. Come here. Look at him. Anyways, what was I saying? I was saying that I'm making lunch, and we have some leftover aloo gobi over here, very little bit. So we're gonna use this, and with this I'm gonna make paratha, and I'm gonna make okra, which is bhindi, plain bhindi. This is a frozen packet that we get from Walmart, and they're pretty good. It's just the bhindi frozen okra and nothing else in it. So yes, this is going to be our lunch. I'm gonna quickly make it because I'm hungry, and then I'll see you guys in some time.
I got dreams that flow like water. Oh yeah, I want it all. So will you come along on my adventure? Oh yeah, I want it all. I want it all. Oh,
my people. So the time is 6:30 and she is getting ready and I am ready to go for a run since we cannot go to gym anymore.
I mean, even the gyms are open, we don't want to go. So.
Yeah, some of the gyms are open. The community gym is not open, which is will be the one where I would feel confident to go in because there are not many people who actually come in at the same time. But it's not open, so we decided why not go for a 2-mile run. So here's what we are doing these days. We are trying to do 10,000 steps a day, and it obviously includes our 2-mile run. So that's the least we are starting with. None of us are a big cardio people, and especially not the runners at all, especially me. I am wearing my knee sleeves basically to give me more support to run. Because I sometimes, like, I don't know, look at her.
Do I still have my muscles? Yes, I do.
Yeah. So I'm wearing my knee sleeves to feel comfortable, and our goal is we go for a 30-minute run, but since we are doing 2 miles, we complete it in 20 to 25 minutes. So our goal is like within 30 minutes, if we can do like 2.5, then 3 miles, and see how far we can push ourselves.
Yeah.
So let's go and get our sweat glow on and see you guys when we are back.
And when I come back, I'm gonna be making
cookies,
the oatmeal coconut chocolate chip cookies.
Yes, and you guys must be thinking we are crazy that we go on a run, come back and make cookies.
But we don't need them.
But that's how we roll.
Yes.
That's how we roll. Well, anyways, she bakes these cookies and she'll show you guys these cookies. She does not put any butter in it.
No,
it's just coconut oil, it's oats and all the healthy goodness in it. I'm not saying you can eat 5 cookies at a time.
Yeah,
it's just that she will bake and we get this craving satisfied. Normally, we are also eating watermelon these days a lot because that's our favorite. And once mango starts coming in July,
my god.
Anyways, I already show what that oatmeal recipe, and that will be out. And yes, I know you must be thinking that you have almost seen the vlog and still no announcements that I spoke about this morning. There are gonna be announcements. Well, stay tuned. Let us get back, and while she'll bake cookies, I'll tell you what the announcement is.
Yes. Nice. Yes, Marva. We're back home. And look at my face. Ah.
Light.
Look at me. Whew. Here. My feels. Look at that.
I know.
Yes, Marvy. But it definitely feels so good. Ah. Oh god.
Well, I guess we are gonna go freshen up.
Yeah. And then see you when we bake cookies.
Yes.
Right. Alright, I am back. Took bath, I feel fresh. I'm in my night suit, so nice and loose, and I'm comfortable. And I'm gonna make the cookies. So I want to show the exact recipe video because I've already shown in one of the vlogs, and I'm gonna link link it in the description box below for that vlog where I've shown the detailed recipe. You can check that out. But I love it because when you go out for a run, look at your skin when you sweat. I have no makeup on. I just put my night cream and my eye cream, and that's it. And the skin glows, like literally. The benefits of running. Your skin is gonna glow, you're gonna lose weight, you're gonna feel energized, you're gonna feel amazing. I cannot explain. These are some of the things that you cannot explain by saying. Sometimes you need to do it, try it, and see for yourself. Anyways, he's right here. Mayang is taking bath, and our dinner is gonna be our shake. Today we're gonna do cookies and cream, and we got 2 new cups. Let me show you. We're gonna be using them. Look at this. Super pretty glasses. I'm gonna have my shake in this today, and I'll show you how I make it and what all I top it off with. Anyways, let's start making the cookies.
I got dreams that flow like water. Oh yeah, I want it all. So will you come along on my adventure? Oh yeah, I want it all. I want it all. Oh, it's a new day.
Okay, so cookies are ready to go in the oven. So I don't know, you guys must have seen me roaming around with the phone, and that is just because I was doing Insta Live. So you guys can always go check out our Instagram account, and I'll put a little Instagram handle here as well as in the description box. So alright, look at all those cookies ready to go in the oven. So I'm excited. So I'll show you guys once they come out. Okay people, so we are meeting you after quite some time, probably roughly 2 hours. Cookies I forgot to show, but let we kept the cookies in here. Let me show you. I will show you in another vlog how they taste, but they taste super delicious. Look at these cookies, just perfect. Look at them.
I look like a ghost right now, see? Just behind you.
Yep, I know, right? Well, anyways, the cookies came out to be so delicious. I think I'm gonna put the links to the description box.
Yes.
For the video in which she shared the recipe. Why are you showing that to everyone?
And finally, for the announcement!
So yes, so finally it's time for letting you guys know what I have been talking about since morning. So I know everybody, each one of you out there probably loves Tanya's cooking, and that's why she has her channel, Tanya's Cooking. And soon I am bringing my own food vlog channel. So it's not gonna be some kind of sophisticated channels. Like it's gonna be in a different style. It's gonna be more vlogging style, but just food.
Yeah,
nothing
it's not
else.
gonna be a daily vlog.
It's not gonna be a daily vlog. You're gonna get all our daily vlogs here. You're gonna get all her recipes on her channel, Tanya's Kitchen. But you're gonna get that different home cooking style food vlogs on my channel. So stay tuned for more information as soon as the channels come out. It's happening pretty soon.
Yes.
So stay tuned. You'll find we obviously are gonna give you and share it with you as soon as that happens. But we were very excited that it's happening this month. We are almost there.
Yes.
And it's gonna be a food vlog where you will see me cooking in vlogging style, so not like,
and
you know, so you
different
can reconnect.
cuisines.
And it's gonna be all kind of different cuisines.
Yes.
Indian, a little twist to other cuisines in an Indian way, and Italian, Mexican, whatever I can cook basically. So and
So
there
get ready to subscribe.
yes, and there are gonna be various themes and everything that you will find out in the intro video of my channel.
Yes.
So well, that was the big announcement. I hope you guys go check it out once it's out. I just wanted to share with you guys before it comes out, and I hope you guys are excited as much as I am, because the biggest twist to the channel is it's gonna be in Hindi. So I'm gonna try my best that it's gonna be in Hindi. When I say that, it's obviously we all speak like Hindi English mix kind of thing. So, but yes, it will be easy to understand anybody who wants to watch it. But if you only understand English, the ingredients and everything is gonna be in the description box. So I think that will give you a little bit of help. Regardless, anyways, I'm super excited for this, and I'll keep you guys posted. For now, let's call it a day because it's time to hit the bed. She's just putting some things in the back in its place, and we are gonna see you in our next vlog.